The CNC drilling and milling machine offers multiple machining functions, including drilling, milling, cutting, etc., and can accommodate different types and shapes of window and door frame designs. This machine possesses high-precision machining capabilities, allowing for precise processing of complex parts and ensuring that the dimensions and shapes of the machined parts meet design requirements. Due to the use of numerical control technology, CNC drilling and milling machine has a high processing efficiency, can quickly complete the processing task, improve production efficiency,